Come on in. We have a visitor, everybody.
What's up, Mr. Joe?
Hey, how we doing?
What are you?
Come on in here. You're not camera shy, are you? WattCycle was good enough to send this to me. I contacted them and I asked them if they would send me one. And they did. I haven't done much with it other than towed it from one end of my trailer to the other end of my trailer to the other end of my trailer. I didn't want a smart battery. I took Will Prowse advice on that, and I went with the dumb battery. So that makes two of us, not you, Will. I also picked up this Victron Smart Shunt, and this will monitor the battery for me, because with this Victron Smart Shunt installed in combination with the MPPT controller, those two will communicate. I wanted an alternate way to charge this battery up. I needed a bigger AC to DC charger, and I am going that route. WattCycle makes a good one that is matched with this battery, and I am very close to pulling the trigger on that one. Come on in. We have a visitor, everybody.
What's up, Mr. Joe?
Hey, how we doing?
What are you?
Come on in here. You're not camera shy, are you?
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
Step in view here. Step into my office.
What you got going on now?
Well, this mess is the electrical phase. Somebody's stealing the show.
Got it from Singers.
Yep.
I brought you the good stuff, though.
Oh, you brought me the
I
good
got you
stuff.
the good stuff. Maybe the stuff you can actually use today.
Well, let's see what's in there. Okay, let's see now.
Here's your Amazon.
There's, see how that brute force right there. Oh, you can never be too safe.
Hey, you
Because
can't
this,
say I didn't keep you safe.
yeah, you know what? You're looking out for me. Your UPS guys, they look out for us. Because this could be a firing inferno if I don't do it right. So I needed one of these things to give me a fighting chance.
I don't know how you do all this either.
Just kind of step through it one step at a time and see what happens. Oh, and the dog escaped.
One YouTube video at a time, man.
That's right. Yeah, I'm learning as I go, and my audience, they can hopefully learn along with us and participate.
That's how I get my information. I'm on YouTube every night just about trying to figure out something.
You know, you're not alone.
See y'all.
Hey, thanks.
See you
I'll see you out.
Where's the girl at?
I was probably sniffing your tires.